Experiencing 5G connectivity problems with your ALDI mobile service? Don't worry, it's a common issue with several potential fixes. ALDI Mobile operates on AT&T's network, so 5G availability depends on AT&T's infrastructure and your device's compatibility. First, ensure 5G is actually available in your area using ALDI's coverage map or the AT&T map. If coverage isn't the issue, the next most common problem is incorrect APN settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced APN, and verify that the APN is set to wholesale. On iOS, navigate to Settings, Cellular Data Options, APN Settings, and again set the APN to wholesale. Another quick fix is to toggle airplane mode on and off, or simply restart your phone. If problems persist, you may need to contact ALDI support to check for a damaged SIM card, as this can prevent 5G connectivity in 80% of reported cases. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your 5G connection issues on ALDI Mobile, the problem may lie with your device. Not all phones support 5G, and even compatible ones must support the specific bands used by AT&T's network. These bands include low-band frequencies like 700 MHz for broad coverage, mid-band like 2.5 GHz for balanced performance, and high-band millimeter wave for ultra-fast speeds in dense areas. To verify compatibility, check your phone's specifications or use an app like Network Cell Info Lite to confirm support for AT&T's 5G bands. If your device is compatible, ensure the software is updated to at least Android 11 or iOS 14 for full 5G functionality. In your phone settings, set the network mode to 5G or auto, not LTE only. If your device lacks the necessary band support, consider upgrading to compatible options like the Motorola Moto G Power 5G or Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Remember that unlocked phones from other carriers might not work if they don't support AT&T's specific bands.